Okay, good evening everyone. My name is Rahul Singh and I am a FA graduate and it's been 2 years. So personally I would say all of you I'm giving suggestion, don't say like it is not mandatory to follow. What works for me, what hasn't worked, I would like to share this only simple thing. What I got, let me tell you the story first. So when I passed my 12th class, uh, there was a person who can tell me what to do or not to do, and she was my uh, elder sister. What she said that you can join FEA. I joined FEA, but I was a bit shy kind of person who used to speak very less, who used to say no to everything, and I used to just hide myself uh, like in between two chairs. I used to hide myself where I can get the less opportunity. But Manisha ma'am used to always push myself to speak something, at least speak what you understand, at least speak this, at least speak not. I used to participate very less. It gradually goes like this, it has gone like this till the first book. So the second thing which made my journey totally change, I wasn't much serious about this because I used to get that this is also a platform that as school has gone, it also would go because there was nothing like concern, nothing like goal that I need to pursue. I need to pursue it because of this reason. So in second book, somebody came in my session. It was Kundan, and he was a graduate. I can say that he was fabulous because he was able to speak. He was able to speak fluently. I can say as compared to ma'am, as compared to Manisha ma'am, he was also in the similar range. He was speaking really good. He was having accent. I can say some kind of British or American. And at the time, I got totally like blanked. That what can I say? That is he from the FEA or has he got this fluency because of FEA? I was totally surprised. This much change I cannot imagine because it's been more than 8 to 10 years. I've been dealing with English language, and since in my class I used to speak. Sorry, I used to uh, participate a bit in English, even though I haven't got this much fluency. And in a year, someone can get this fluency. How can it be possible? So at that time, I just framed some of the questions in my mind. After ending the session, I just asked to Kundan that how have you got this much fluency? He shared that it's so simple. Follow these three things. You'll be better than me. He shared this thing. I'll tell you after on. Then then the turn comes and Manisha. When I asked these questions to Manisha, she's shared the same thing. She shared the same thing. I got yes, I can also get because the three things which she has shared is same, and the Kudan sir has shared is same. So these three things were, the first thing is punctuality, and the meaning of punctuality is, I think some of you were about obvious about it, some of you are not, you are not. So punctuality means we need to be punctual and always present on time. If we are able to continue and come on time, it becomes habit, and once it is a habit, you are always respecting others time as well. So by this way you are somehow improving yourself or making a choice which can lead your life into a compassionate being and into a good human being as well. So second thing is regularity. Regularity means you are regular, you're coming on time, then you're attending whole session actively. I mean to say, attending the whole session means somebody who attend all the session gets what is happening and participate as well. So it calls the really, I can say that it is the thing that makes you regular. And the third thing is all about practicing, how you are practicing and reflecting. Let's say I learned noun. I learned noun, I'm not using it, so it is not going to work. Practice includes the term learning as well as reflecting. Once you are able to learn and reflect, I'm I'm definitely sure about it that you are going to rock, because once you have learned till reflecting, you can show it any time. Like it will definitely come by you. It will come like automatically. You don't need to like always reflect it. It will definitely come. As I'm using some of the words about which I'm not actively using it, but now it is coming because I was obvious about it. So this is the second thing, so sorry, third thing. And only the whole things are going on by this only. You can reflect your study, you can reflect your somebody who is preparing for the exams, somebody who's preparing for something, and each and everything you can just form by only these three things. Last time I shared a bit things because you all were new, but now you are quite old, I guess. The second most thing, okay, the third thing I have shared, as I can share that uh, because FEA has not only changed the, the learning capability, it has changed by the whole perspective. I can say what I was, what I am has a difference, and the difference is FEA. Now I'm able to reflect everything what I have learned. What used to happen, the first thing which all of us need to understand is, whenever you are going to learn, you need to trust yourself 100% that you can do. Because until you are not going to understand this, that the confidence matters a lot. Because what you are going to gather here is only the confidence. Once you're confident enough to get everything, you are going to reflect by your behavior, and the behavior will make the difference. Some are learning English for some are learning English, some are here, some are learning English because of some are learning English because they want to pursue, they want to get ahead of those who are not aware of English. That is right, but somehow it is not. What is right, what is not, we are not going to quarrel about it. But one thing is specific, English is a language. Once we get the habit of it, it is the thing that will automatically lead you ahead of everything, of everyone, either you want or not, whether somebody wants or not. Once you make a thing into habit, what makes me to come and attach with this thing, I wasn't able to reflect all these things. I used to connect myself to somebody who is totally less capable than others. I can say when I went for interview, uh, what makes me to go ahead, that yes, I have cleared FEA, yes, I was in FEA, as I used to speak in English. So this was my confidence point. I used to motivate myself, yes, I can do, I did, I have done a lot of time, I have cleared this, I have done this, I have done this. By motivating, this comes, once the confidence is there, and second thing is comes that practice. Once you are getting the comments means feedback, so this will lead you